All right, so today I'll be making homemade laundry detergent. I'm almost out, so it's about time to make more. I've been using this recipe for a while and it works just great for our family. I hope it works good for you too. It's super simple to make. We've been saving tons of money, plus knowing what's going to our laundry detergent, what gives us, peace of mind about that. Last time that I made was about 6 months ago. I made a 5-gallon bucket and it lasts for about 6 months, so it's a super deal for us. For this recipe I'm going to be using baking soda, I'll be using borax, also I'm going to be using the laundry booster, the pink soap, and I love this one. It just smells so good. It's a very good one. And also I'll be putting some essential oils. I like lavender, but it's totally up to you. And about almost everything that I make, I put some essential oils just because I love it and it's just good for you. So let's dive into it and let's make it. I start with 14 ounces of Zolt soap, grating it into fine pieces so it dissolves easily later. Now I'm adding about 32 ounces of water to this large pot and I'll have it over medium heat. Then I'm adding the grated soap and stirring continuously until it's completely dissolved. This part takes a little patience, but keep stirring until it's smooth. Now let's add 1 cup of borax, half a cup of baking soda, half a cup of laundry booster, and also let's add around 40 drops of lavender essential oil. Then I stir it all together until the mixture thickens slightly. Now I'm filling a large bucket with water and leaving about 4 to 5 inches of space at the top. Then I pour in the soap mixture and let it cool overnight. Now it's the next morning. The mixture has thickened a lot overnight. I'm using a hand blender to break up that thick gel and make it smooth and pourable. Finally, it's time to pour the detergent into jars. Alright, so here it is, my results. 5 gallons of homemade laundry detergent. So it came out so well. Look how thick it is. Very, very good. So our family is going to be covered for the next 6 months and I'm so glad. Well, thank you guys for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video and let me know if you want to give this recipe a try, and if you do, let me know in the comments how it goes. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.